Let's kick off our keto journey with the incredible benefits of a custom keto diet. This personalized approach tailors your meal plan to your body, goals, and taste buds. Now let's delve into crafting delightful meal replacement smoothies to kickstart your day. Your custom keto diet plan is your secret weapon. Whether you're a keto veteran or just starting, having a plan is crucial. It's like having a personal guide on this keto adventure. Grab your custom keto plan, and together, let's transform it into a nutrient-packed, lip-smacking smoothie. Let's talk ingredients. Dive into the world of low-carb, high-fat goodness. Avocados, coconut milk, and almond butter. These are the keto superheroes that add creaminess and essential fats, ensuring you stay fueled and satisfied throughout the day. Contrary to popular belief, you can enjoy fruits on keto. Berries such as strawberries and blueberries are low in carbs and high in antioxidants. They're the perfect addition to your custom keto smoothie, providing natural sweetness without kicking you out of ketosis. Now, the exciting part, assembling your custom keto smoothie. It's all about the right balance. Fats for satiety, proteins for muscle support, and minimal carbs to stay in that sweet spot of ketosis. Let's grab our blenders and embark on a delicious journey. Ready for some lip-smacking recipes? Try these custom keto smoothies: Avocado Berry Bliss, Almond Butter Delight, Coconut Berry Burst. Check the description for detailed recipes and feel free to tweak them based on your preferences and your unique custom keto plan. Before we wrap up, let's sprinkle in some keto-friendly tips. Experiment with different flavor combinations, adjust sweetness with keto-friendly sweeteners, and consider adding collagen or MCT oil for that extra nutrient boost. Remember, it's your keto journey, so make it uniquely yours. There you have it, our ultimate keto guide on making delicious custom keto smoothies for meal replacement. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your keto buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more custom keto goodness. Cheers to a tasty and fulfilling keto journey. Until next time, stay keto fabulous.